What's up guys, Jose here from Yugatech, and today we're checking out the newest smartphone from Samsung. It's more affordable than the S23 series, this one, which was launched earlier this year too. And it's this, the new Galaxy A54 5G. It's the successor to the A53, which was released last March 2022. The phone was launched alongside the new Galaxy A34 5G, which you can check it out as well. So let's jump right in and check out the new Galaxy A54 5G, what it has to offer, and what it feels out of the box. From the outside, the Galaxy A54 5G has matte reflective sides with a premium back glass panel and a glossy finish. Like the S23, it's smudge resistant too, so you don't have to worry about nasty fingerprints. As a result, I wouldn't really use this with a case, and it would be a shame to hide the nice color, which we'll talk about later. So, aside from the back panel, you may notice that Samsung removed the camera island that they use in the A53 models and replaced it with a similar camera design from the S23 series. The rear camera has an embossed design that is more elevated than what you would find in the S23. Interestingly, Samsung says this phone is made from eco-friendly and recycled materials. So, you're going a bit green when you buy one of these. Going back to the design, you might confuse the A54 and the S23 as both phones look and feel similar. The A54 is slightly thicker than the S23 though, but height and length-wise, however, both phones are identical. As a result, you can easily fool people with which phone you actually have. The Galaxy A54 has the same button placements as you would find in the S23, with the volume and power buttons on the right side of the phone and the speakers and ports at the bottom. Meanwhile, the SIM tray is now located at the top of the phone. The fingerprint is still on the display and it's still the same placement as before. And what's great about this is that the buttons are easy to access even if you're just using it with one hand. They feel nice too, although personally I feel like the ones on the S23 still feel more solid. But that should be a given. The display on the A54 is responsive and snappy with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The choice to switch to adaptive or standard resolution is available too, which lowers the refresh rate down to 60 Hz. The colors are great too, with high contrast, deep blacks, and very saturated displays and colors if that's what you want. There are lots of options to choose from for the themes and more, although I do find the bezels a bit too thick for my liking. Now, under the hood, the A54 5G is powered by the Exynos 1380. The phone comes with two storage options as well, 128GB and 256GB. 8GB RAM is standard for both variants. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery and comes with 25-watt fast charging. It runs on One UI 5.1, which is based on Android 13. Samsung also states that the Galaxy A54 5G comes with 5-year security upgrades. And one notable feature on the Galaxy A54 is the ability to edit out unnecessary elements in pictures without downloading any third-party apps, which is really useful if you just need that function. And now, for the photographers and video guys, the smartphone features a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel OIS main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The front camera is 32 megapixels, and as for videos, it can shoot up to 2K at 30 FPS. There's also stabilization, making it easier to take videos, and you don't have a gimbal, and photos when in low light. Meanwhile, the photos do look great without needing to edit them too much in nice lighting conditions, but we'll test it out more in the future, so be sure to stay tuned for the full review of this phone. Overall, Samsung has created a really powerful device that can do a lot for less with the new Galaxy A54 5G. Prices start at 24,990 pesos for the 8GB plus 128GB variant and 26,990 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. The device is available in 3 colors: lime, which is what we have here, violet, and graphite. Now, which one you choose? Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more content like this. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. And do stay tuned, we're going to be releasing this full review of the A54 5G very soon. So, once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.